The set point is spiking to 150%. An unknown IP is sending Modbus write commands. It's a cyber attack. We have to override now. I'm locking it down.
Marcus, look at this Modbus traffic. It's using function code ORZO6, and there's no encryption or authentication. That's a critical vulnerability. Exactly. We need to secure this now.
Today, we treat Modbus like a real enemy. We will assess, segment, encrypt, and lock it down, RTU and TCP. Mission is to harden Modbus. We'll follow a 5-phase plan. Phase 1 is assessment. Phase 2 secures RTUs.
Understood. And phase 3?
Phase TP security, followed by advanced controls.
Good. And the final phase?
Phase 5, zero trust architecture.
Rule number 1, never scan actively. Legacy devices can crash. We only listen. Okay, mapping the network now. There we go. RTU bus 52 is up, and the Modbus devices are connecting. Hidden network revealed. This is our 48-hour baseline. Most traffic is normal BO3 and BO4 reads. But these highlighted packets are risky TIO6 and I10 writes. They're unusual and could indicate a threat.
These registers control safety and production. They are our highest priority.
Understood. Should we flag them for immediate review?
Yes, prioritize them. We'll test integrity first. I'll pull the logs for those.
Good plan.
Assessment complete. Now we move to the field, RTU security.
Understood, Dr. Lena.
Ready for the field.
Let's go.
Many think RTU is safe because it has no IP. One person with physical access can destroy everything. Welcome to Physical Hardening. Today we'll secure this RTU cabinet. Most RTUs still rely on RS-485, so we must check the cabinet and...
First thing I notice is how easily this door can be opened. Exactly. Let's start with a proper hasp and padlock. In most plants, RTUs use shielded RS-485 twisted pair.
These copper cables are vulnerable to both physical tapping and electromagnetic noise.
That's why we're replacing this run. So we remove the old cable first?
Exactly. Carefully disconnect and label everything. Now install an Ethernet to fiber media converter. Fiber gives us much better security and longer distance without noise.
I'm mounting the DIN rail and routing the fiberistic flexible metal conduit.
That looks much cleaner and more secure.
Definitely better than the old copper.
In most plants, RTUs use shielded RS-485 twisted pair. That's why we're removing the old RS-485 run.
So we remove the old cable first? Exactly. Carefully disconnect and label everything.
Now I'm connected via laptop to the RTU. I'm scanning the Modbus register.
Pay attention here. Some registers are very dangerous, like coil 0 for starting motors or holding register device inside the cabinet. It will only specific registers and block dangerous ones.
To protect these critical registers, I'm installing a Moxa EDR 8020 industrial Modbus firewall inside the cabinet.
This firewall performs deep packet inspection. It can analyze Modbus packets with RSO.
Only safe registers are allowed.
So far, we've covered important field-level physical hardening, from cabinet protection and tamper centers to disabling unused ports and deploying the Moxa EDR 8020 firewall.
This is a solid foundation for OT security. Now we're ready to move to the next stages.
Let's continue.
Thanks for watching our presentation. I'm Ali, and with me is Dr. Lena Voss and our amazing team. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and comment below. We love hearing your thoughts. See you next time.